In this video, I will show you how to redeem QR code in Brawl Stars. You don't need to launch the Brawl Stars application to redeem the QR code. Instead, you will use a QR scanner on your device to scan the code first. Look for the scanner feature in your device. Once you are on the home screen of your device, swipe down to open the notification panel or quick settings bar. Swipe through these shortcuts and look for the scanner option. Some devices already have it. If your device already has a built-in QR scanner, tap on it to open it. But if your device doesn't have a built-in feature, then open the Play Store or App Store on your device. Navigate to the Search tab and search for the QR scanner. As soon as you search for it, a list of code scanners will appear. Select any trusted QR code scanner from the list. Tap on the Install button, and once it installs, you will see an Open button. Tap on it. The QR code scanner app will open and your camera screen will appear. Hold your device so that the QR code is visible within the scanner frame. The scanner will automatically detect and scan the QR code. Once scanned, a new screen will appear with details about the QR code. Tap on the Open option and you will be directed to the Brawl Stars in Chrome. You will see a pop-up. Tap on the Claim option. After tapping Claim, the Brawl Stars app will open automatically. Here again a pop-up will appear asking to confirm the reward. Tap on Claim again to finalize the redemption. Your reward will be successfully added to your account. Now you can continue enjoying the game with your newly claimed rewards. And this is how you can redeem QR code in Brawl Stars.